Hi, I'm Chef Seetharam, Corporate Chef GRT Hotels and Resorts, General Secretary, South India Chef Association. Today we are here with the Aussie Lamb Workshop by Saby. Chef Saby is next to me. You all know I don't have to introduce Chef Saby.
Please do,
one among the celebrated chefs in India, and has done a lot of restaurant concepts, who has traveled across the globe. A lot of brands are revolving around his name, and I have experienced many of those brands. In fact, when Chef Saby called, he wants to do the lamb workshop, he said he will do it exclusive for our group, but I said no, it's not right. I think let us share this experience with all the chefs in the city. So all the chefs who are there, irrespective of our brands, all the white jackets are together. Of course, I'm wearing a black jacket today exceptionally, but white jackets are together. By a phone call, all of us, we assembled in Chennai. And it was an interesting, fabulous workshop where we tasted some nice, excellent, juicy Aussie lamb, different cuts of preparations where Chef Saby demonstrated with his team of chefs, and very tasty, very interesting. In fact, we had an elaborate lunch curated by Chef Kishore and Chef Saby, which was very interesting. And getting this kind of meat without any kind of supply chain issues, as well as consistency, the price tag to it, like definitely it's going to be a big blessing for all the chefs in Chennai to really go forward and use and thrill and delight our customers. Yes.
Hi, this is Saby. I'm part of Aussie Lamb and the promotion attached to Australian produce. I'm part of IFCA, the Indian Chefs Association, and representing SICA with support and blessings of Chef Seetharam. Great host, GRT Hotels couldn't have been better. Radisson GRT at Chennai Airport is where we are. Aussie Lamb is like none other than any other lamb in this world because it has grown very sustainable, amazing feed, and it is dry aged. So the quality of the produce is exceptional. Every time you're guaranteed a good juiciness of the meat and very high quality. And that is why Aussie Lamb is a perfect match for every meal and every chef.
Sustainability is something which is a big question mark. We Indian chefs spend a lot of time, wasting our time to be precise, on sourcing the raw material like those days. But today life has become little easy. Still we spend, I see a lot of chefs at the receiving, checking the quality day in and out. We are wasting time, and at the same time too much of choice for us. From any, let it be lentils, pulses, rice, meat, whatever it is, too much of choice. Of course, sourcing this kind of imported meats was with a very fancy price tags generally, and we use it only in our premium restaurants. But now the way the Indian and Australian trade agreement, where it has become tax free, so it is more affordable, more easy to access, and better quality products available for chefs to play with.
So we did 3 dishes. We used the lamb shoulder, we used the lamb leg, and of course we used the lamb rack. Now, lamb rack is most commonly used in this country, so I won't talk about the lamb rack. I will talk about the lamb shoulder. With the lamb shoulder, we did a beautiful lal mas, which is very typical dish from Rajasthan, known for the connection with the royalty, and one of the core dishes of Indian cuisine, like we talk about Kashmiri lamb or any other lamb dishes, lamb gustabas or yaknis and all these kind of dishes. So lal mas is one of the most classical lamb dishes of India. I was here at dinner at the Radisson, and chef made this mutton chukuta, and I told chef that the same thing could be represented, and today we had a fantastic buffet of Australian lamb. And in the buffet, that one of the most favorites of mine was this beautiful South Indian style keema that he had made, along with the lamb biryani. That was absolutely mind-blowing. So I personally feel this meat lends itself and can become a very good substitute to be used for all Indian regional dishes and Indian recipes, including South Indian or any other regions.
I think not only the professional chefs, hoteliers have come for this workshop. We have in fact called all the catering colleges, faculties who are teaching culinary in their institutes, MGR University, it is very important for us to groom the future chefs of this industry. So we are very much committed from South India Chef Association to groom the budding chefs for the future hoteliering. Thank you.
Thank you, Chef. I think it's under your guidance and SICA's support that though I'm part of Young Chefs Association of India, but we do most of our work down south between Bangalore, Chennai and all other cities in southern India. I've been very fortunate to have got this support and the blessings of the Presidium of SICA that I get a chance to come travel often to these cities. Though I come from New Delhi, which is a bit far, but it has made me travel often to various forums and even various colleges in South India, all the way from Hyderabad till Kerala. Almost every IHM or regional hotel management and FCI institutes I've been to, talking about food, talking about gastronomy, talking about chef as a career. I would urge all youngsters to consider this profession. The entry points are a little difficult. There are a bit of barriers as you come in, but if you go past the first 6 months to a year, it becomes a beautiful journey. It is the most rewarding career for any upcoming young professional in the hospitality industry. As we all know, food is the most important part of being alive for any human being, and you get a chance to cook for a fellow human being and spread the joy and love. So please consider becoming a chef. With the support of SICA and IFCA, you have a great career and a future ahead, and I wish you well. Good luck. Thank you, Chef.
Thank you.